Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you love a little sweet treat, then you are gonna love this Ghirardelli Milk Chocolate Caramel Squares. These are so delicious. I absolutely love them. Ghirardelli is my favorite chocolate, and this milk chocolate is so smooth, so creamy and delicious, and it is also filled with the most delicious caramel inside. So it is gooey, and when you bite into it or break it open, it just has the perfect consistency and it's just amazing. So I love that these come in individually wrapped squares because it is the perfect way to control yourself when you are looking for a sweet treat, because you can just grab one of these and it totally satisfies that sweet craving. And I just absolutely love these. So if you're looking for that little afternoon pick-me-up or a gift for a friend, then you can definitely not go wrong with this Ghirardelli Milk Chocolate Caramel Squares. They are so delicious, and that's my point of view.